So it's a new day, day 2 in Ubud. Yes, I'm sweating as always. I just had to take the motorbike through the centre of Ubud and mad traffic of course everywhere, so I was just swerving in and out and it was a bit crazy. But today, last night it was raining all night and this morning a little bit as well. Luckily it stopped, but we thought just in case it starts raining again, we are gonna go jewelry making. So we're making silver rings from scratch, which should be pretty cool. Ah, jeez, I'm so unfit these days. So right now we're trying to find and pick a design of how we're gonna make the rings. I have no idea what to do, but I can't make it look too girly. I think I found the winner. Something like this, not too feminine. A nice little index finger one. This was an option as well. 2 snake heads. I did like this one as well, but I'm going for like a similar-ish design. This one. But at the moment this barely fits onto my pinky. See? Got fat fingers. Nice silver granules and we'll turn it into rings. Okay.
This pure silver, this 99% silver, this one.
Okay.
Okay. We need 700 degrees for making liquid.
Wow.
Very hot but not dangerous. And this crucible, this name in Bali, the name is kowi.
Kowi.
Kowi, and kowi is from the ceramic, this one.
Okay.
And you see the brown color is from the sodium.
I see.
Sodium making easy liquid the silver.
Okay.
Okay, come on. I want you handling, cat. Handling this one.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We need 700 degrees.
700 degrees.
Very hot but not dangerous.
Oh my god.
And we do like this. Like that.
Oh my goodness.
Like this. Don't worry, not dangerous.
So cool.
Thank you.
Oh my god, look
Don't
at
touch,
that.
this is still very hot, yeah. Now we dip in water for cooling down. This one.
Oh, it's made it into
Like
silver.
this one, and we dip in water like this. Cheese. Your silver to be cool again, cat. You can touch this one.
I could touch.
Touch.
Oh my god, yeah,
This
that
for
is
making
so
2
cool.
pieces.
I had to pump it, I'm sweating.
Number 2, 1, 2, this one, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I do it before. The corner on top position, the corner. Yeah, like this. Good. And take it other side, look at.
Yes?
Yeah, good. Again, number 2 again.
Number 2 again.
Yeah, like this one.
Whoa.
Oh.
One job, babe, one job.
Number 2
Sorry.
again. Yeah, longer and smaller. Okay, more again. Good. Okay, I want you to do it here. You try, and I'm making
Oh,
video
me?
for you. Okay.
Yeah. Take it up
Okay.
from the other side.
Yeah, like this one. Good job. Okay, still number 1. Making tight it again. Make
Bend
tight.
it.
Other side. Again.
Like, put it
Okay.
in this way?
Yeah, this way. Good. Yeah, like this. Nice. Okay. Thank you. Okay, it's done. Good. Oh, more flatter.
Flattening
in the
it
middle.
out.
Yeah, like this. Good. Before the thickness is good. Little bit more.
More?
No, it's good this one. I think
Okay.
it's good. Okay.
Iwan, what football team you support?
Huh?
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Yeah.
I like Chelsea because have the blue color.
Yeah.
Good. Again.
Can you say fuck Arsenal for me?
Yeah.
Can you say?
No.
Please. I want to send to my friends.
They're Arsenal fans.
Sorry, this way. Fuck Arsenal.
Yes. What a guy.
Arsenal.
Chop Arsenal. does this do?
This for making the soft. We call the kneeling.
On the workshop right now, I'm gonna start hammering and chiseling. This is my silver. Needs a bit of polishing after as well, which we will do.
Yeah, it's good. And I'm measuring your finger before. With what your finger you want?
Oh, my fingers are fat.
Fat. Okay. Don't worry.
I am worried. Yes, please.
Okay, like this.
You maybe need more paper.
Okay, it's good. It's good.
You run out of paper, bro.
This one. Yeah, we can little bit longer.
Okay, we need longer piece because I've got fat fingers.
Fat finger.
Violation.
Fat finger. This one.
If anyone knows how to lose finger fat, let me know.
Okay, it's done. Come on, we go over there. We are kneeling again. Ooh, thank you, Luca.
Thank
now
you.
We keep in water for cooling down.
Cool it down.
Cooling down again. Okay, it's done. Come on,
Amazing.
we go. Okay, it's done. Good job.
Cut this.
You can making the texture.
Hopefully I cut it
I
right.
show you. Use the angle this one. Okay. Good.
Nice, perfect cut. Ewan, I finished.
Okay, good. Come on,
okay?
good. Yeah, it's good. Now we making this one. Like this one. We use sewing like this. We use sewing like this one. Cut this one. Like this. The position like this one first. We do like this one. Like that is enough, not too much. And stop and other side this one like this.
Okay.
Like this. And we will check this one first. You can use this one. You can bending like this one. Like that is enough. This one and this one, this other side too. Bending. Nice. It's good.
Oh, I'm about to mess this up. Half the table is
Bending
gone.
now. Bending now. Yeah.
So-
Like this.
Which way bend? So I
Then you
cut
can bending
this,
this
so
one.
I bend this way
Bend that
to
and
me.
this- Yeah. This
Okay.
one. Good. Okay, enough. And other side too. Yeah, and bending other side too.
Okay.
No, up there. Yeah. Good. Okay, again.
Keep doing.
Keep it up. Yeah, till you're making like this one.
Okay.
Like the flash like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
It's broken? Okay, no problem. Keep the bezel inside. For not drop your stone, we keep the bezel inside here. Okay, come on, we use this one. We go
More like
outside again.
this.
Good.
I think we're getting there.
So?
I'm just gonna keep cutting away because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm cutting more table than silver at this point. I think we're good. Cut all of the table nicely.
Okay. Slowly,
Oh,
not
too much.
Just little. More. Up again. Choose up like that. Yeah, like this one. Okay. Sodium. Bloop. Like this one. Oh.
I did too much.
Yeah, it's too much. It's okay.
I got carried away.
We soldering like this. Okay, it's done. Now I cleaning with hydrochloric acid.
Pumped it for an hour.
You
So I've got to bend this one anyway.
run first.
It's supposed to make a smiley face, yeah?
Yeah.
Happy face.
Happy face. Yeah. This too much.
Too
Little.
much?
Yeah, too much. You hammering before.
Too happy.
You hammering. Around like this. Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I cut half my nail. With this.
You cut your nail? It's good. Come on, we soldering first. We soldering.
Ooh, soldering, yeah?
Soldering again.
Need to pump up again.
Pump again.
So we're soldering now.
Yeah, we soldering first. And I keep
If I wasn't sweating already, I'm definitely sweating now.
Sure.
Got to solder again, so I've
Yeah, I
got to
think it's
pump
good.
up
Yeah,
again.
this one is good. It's good.
Yeah, I'm pumping.
Pumping. We making pink color, and I drop the soldering this one. Good. Almost. Pumping again.
I'm pumping, man. I'm pumping.
Pumping.
How'd you say fucking Indonesian again?
Chop.
Yeah. You went chop my legs.
It's funny. Okay,
Oh my god.
now we keep in HCl again. Like this. Okay, after this one,
No more pumping.
no pumping again. Just like this one.
Wow.
Good. Okay, can I check your finger before?
Oh, my big fat finger.
Right finger.
Shock! You said pump again. Oh.
Come on, we do it again. Nice. Hard work. Okay, thank you. Now I need the. You're tired now.
I'm not gonna be able to walk.
Come on, we do it. I want you pumping.
Pump again. Come on, pump it up again.
Like this. We making perfect round before. You can check. Check this one. Can we? Good. Nice.
Fat ass fingers, man.
Don't worry. Little bit
Little
more.
bit
Yeah,
more.
little
Say less, gang.
again. Little bit more again. It's
Crease it at my fat finger.
Fat finger. 29.
Yeah.
29.
Yeah.
Still very young. You know my old?
28.
No. I is already old. 52.
No way.
Did not know.
You look very good. Look younger than me.
You see this one is already white color.
My hair here. Get nice and shiny. Come on. Very nice. Looking shiny. I accidentally broke my one because I was too strong and hefty with it. So they're gonna fix it now for me. Crack the ring. Wow. Bright, shine and clear. Ring made by you. Wow, that is beautiful. We did this! Wow, thank you. So after breaking it and then fixing it, we polished it all up again. And it is nice and smooth now. I think we've treated it. Yeah. She made a nice gold one. Looks insane. I've got this silver one.